Johnny with Game Over's truck
Yes, sir.
running.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Team Game Over Custom Car Audio. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Yeah, that's right.
South Carolina.
Yes, this is your other build.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa. Did you build this?
I did.
Dude, this is nice. Wow, I like this. What is it tuned to?
47.
47?
Yep.
So does it play down, what, about 31, 32 hertz, or how low does it play?
It'll go down about 25.
Really? Oh,
Not-
awesome.
It'll play lower, just
Yeah.
not really loud.
Okay. That looks good, man. Dark back there. What made you do plexiglass, I guess, visually, but
To show it off.
it's just I've never seen a fourth order design concept like that. That's really
Just
cool.
to show it off.
Yeah, I like that. Can I come in?
Oh,
Awesome. Are those the ZV5s or
those are X's.
X's? Okay.
Two X15s on SFB 3K per sub.
Okay. Nice. So 2 3Ks. All right. What's your electrical like?
I've got a 300 amp JS alternator
Okay.
and one bank of the XS LTOs.
Okay. All right. It does slow pin down to like 24, 25 hertz real well still. Awesome, dude. It does, yeah. Let him cool. Let him
I ain't
cool
got it
down.
broke in yet.
Where's your amps at? Underneath?
It's a mess.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's all good. 2 of the 3Ks under the seats.
Yep. It's a mess.
Hey, it's work in progress.
Yep.
Thanks for showing me, man.
I was supposed to build an amp rack and everything for the back of this,
Yes,
but I was
sir.
too worried about getting Johnny with Game Over's truck
Yes, sir.
running.
Oh, okay. Awesome. Team Game Over Custom Car Audio. Awesome. What was your name again?
Bobby Hill.
Bobby Hill. Thank you.
Hey, man.
You have a fun day. Thanks for the demo, man.
Buddy. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.